I got a toilet leaking. I've done changed my flapper. Now I'm going to put a repair gasket on my flush valve. And you can see how my fluid master will kick on all by itself. The toilet's sitting here idle and just keep pumping water out of it. Now first thing I'm going to do is flush my toilet and drain my tank. Then I'm going to turn the water off. All you do is raise it on your fluid master, your float, and your water will quit running. Now I'm going to remove my flapper. Bought this kit, you can glue a new gasket over your old one. They usually work pretty good. Got all the instructions on the back, tells you how to do it, pretty simple. Now you want to remove your flapper. Get it over here out of the way. That's a new flapper. I've already replaced it. Should be the same as the one I've got. Now I've got to get all the water out of it. Now I'm going to take some cleaner with bleach. Spray it down, let it soak a little bit. Then I'm going to take an abrasive cleaning sponge. Get all the residue off, make sure your sealant sticks to it. Then you want to rinse your bleach off of it. And you want to get your water back out of it. Now I've got my water below my seal here. I'll take some paper towels. And you need to make sure you get all the water off of it. The kit comes with a new flapper. Make sure you get glue all over this part. And it comes with your quick seal. That instruction said to use 3/4 of this tube, at least 3/4. Just make sure you don't get it on the top part. Now you want to center this over your opening. And I wouldn't push down real hard on it, but just enough to make sure it's going to seal. And the directions say you need to wait 15 minutes. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. We're going to put the flapper back on now. And then we'll see if we done any good. And you can see our water has stopped running.